In this video, we're going to cover how to utilize your STEM-Fuse curriculum in the form of assignments using SeeSaw. So to begin, you're going to want to open up a class or a course that has an assignment such as this. You'll see that there is a Google Drive link here. You have the option to download or create a copy. So for this example with SeeSaw, we're going to click the Create a Copy button. So what this is going to do is open a new tab, which is going to ask you if you want to create a copy. Go ahead and click Make a Copy. Once you've created your copy, that material is now yours. It belongs on your Google Drive. So there's a couple things we're going to want to do before we bring it into SeeSaw. The first thing we'll do is just go over the document itself and determine if you need to make any changes. In my case, I'm going to delete this first slide for my students so they can just dive right into the journal. The next thing you're going to want to do is update the privacy settings for that document, in which case you'll just click on the Share button and then change it so that anyone with the link can view. Click Done. You can also update the title of your assignment. So I'm just going to remove Copy Of from my title, just as a little identifier there. Now we can go right into SeeSaw. So here I am in my SeeSaw account, logged in as a teacher, and now I'm going to go click on the Add button and click Assign Activity. Next, I'm going to click Create New Activity. Here I can give the activity a name. I'm going to go ahead and title my activity, and then add some instructions for my students. I can also add voice instructions, and if there are any other multimedia instructions or examples I want to include, I can do that as well. So now down here in the student template section, we're going to click on the Add Template for Student Responses. This is going to allow us to attach an item, and this is where that Google document is going to come into play. So for that option, we're going to select Upload, and then from there, if you chose to download the file directly to your device, you can access it from your computer, or in this example, we actually created a copy using Google Tools, so we're going to click the Select from Google Drive option. From there, you can locate the document on your drive or search for it using the search bar. I've located my file, and now I'm just going to click on it and select the Select button. Now your assignment is ready to go in the form of an activity in SeeSaw. You can go ahead and click that green check mark, and that will attach the item to the activity as a template. Now all we need to do is click the Save button, and we've added this activity to our activity library in SeeSaw. So this can now be assigned to students and utilized in your classroom. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn how to utilize the Educate platform and your STEM-Fuse curriculum.